It is imperative that you know how to manage email syncs on your Samsung Galaxy phone so that you won't run out of battery life fast, but at the same time not missing any important messages. Here's how you manage email sync on your phone. Launch the Settings app. Swipe up to find Accounts and Backup, and once found, tap on it. Tap Manage Accounts and tap on the email account you want to manage the sync for. On the next screen, tap Sync Account. In most cases, email sync is enabled. However, if it's disabled for some reason, then tap the switch to enable it. However, if the switch is already enabled, then tap the More Options icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then tap Sync Now. It will take just a few seconds before the sync is finished. Most of the time, this is all you need to do to make sure you receive your emails promptly. But to make sure your phone syncs with the server properly, go back to the Accounts page and scroll all the way down. Now make sure that the switch next to Auto Sync Data is enabled, and that's how you manage email syncs on your phone. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.